हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सोनू। दोस्तों, आज हम रिव्यू करेंगे एक फिल्म जो मेरा मेरा एक बहुत ही फेवरेट फिल्म है। ये फिल्म का नाम है द ट्रायल ऑफ द शिकागो 7। ये ऑस्कर के रेस में भी था फॉर बेस्ट फिल्म, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली डिडंट विन। आई पर्सनली थॉट इट शुड हैव वन द ऑस्कर फॉर द बेस्ट फिल्म, बट एनीवेज लेट मी आस्क माय स्टूडेंट्स हाउ दे फाउंड दिस फिल्म। काव्या, आई कैन सी यू हियर, ऋषिकेश, Marita and Shubhu. Warm welcome to all of you. Let me start with you, Kavya. Kavya, you have a nice, bright smile on your face, and I'm hoping that it won't disappear. How did you find the film?
I've loved Trial of Chicago 7. It is absolutely perfectly made. Its starting will seem a little boring. The
Okay.
only reason that the issue, that is the trial that took place at Chicago and
Okay.
the riots that happened, is not a native history problem to us. It is not
Mm.
something we have experienced or been that bothered by. The Vietnam War, India didn't have a major
Say
affiliation
in it,
to
yeah.
it.
Mm.
Yeah, so we didn't have any issue related to it, or we didn't sympathize with it immediately. So the first 15 to, I say, 25 minutes, you will feel that the story is dragged, but that's very important to understand all the characters and all the elements that were at play. But the way the story picks up with its apt direction, amazing cast, beautiful narration, like the way they have given you a proper a minute to minute glimpse of the entire trial of 152 days is immaculate. It's
Yes,
immaculate in all
immaculate.
sense.
Okay, Kavya, loving the film. Let me come to Rushikesh. Rushikesh, how did you find the film?
I find the film very interesting from the start also.
Okay.
Like it is for like a special audience for that love history and the films also. So it will very interesting if you have some interest in history. And as
Right.
Kavya said, it is about the history of the Vietnamese War,
Ah.
and it is very essential that you if it is okay that you don't understand the first 15 minutes or so, you can get the glimpse of the characters further in the movie. And
Okay.
the one thing I liked about the movie is the cinematography and the composition they make with the film. It is very incredible. Using this kind of cinematography art with the history and with the social political genre. It is
Okay.
very new, I think, and it is very interesting to watch.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Rishikesh. Marita, you're also smiling like the film.
Yes, to me, it is one of the best courtroom drama I've ever watched. So
Right.
not only because this is a true story, but this is a story, how these 7, 8 people were accused and put to trial for inciting the riot, but also because this same thing is happening still in America. The people are still fighting against their leaders, and there's police brutality and there's mass protest. Everything is still the same. And hats
Okay.
off to the director, Aaron, because he put it so well. He put it so well.
Yeah.
The trials, the long-standing trials, it's still happening. The tension in the courtroom, it was so real. So I felt amazing. That story was completely awesome. But I guess there were disturbing scenes, when the police were beating up the protesters. But
Yeah.
it was also, the film was also very intense and deep and inspiring, because the realness of the story was made.
Yeah.
It made the story a must watch.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Marita. Shubhu, what about you? How did you find the
Sir,
film?
it was okay for me. It was not
Okay.
really nice like everybody else described.
Okay.
Whatever they said, definitely it was true. The story was fabulous. But the only thing that I felt that they could have portrayed it a little better. They could have delivered the story really well. I thought not just the first half or the first 15 minutes or the first 30 minutes. I found the film actually to be very slow throughout. Only during the
Hmm.
last 30 minutes, when it was on the verge of reaching the climax,
Okay.
I started to, that was the time when my power went off.
Okay.
And that was the time I was like, अरे यार अभी क्यों हो गया इतना time हो गया. But those 30 minutes, the last 30 minutes of the film were really very exciting, and they were really hooking. I could not, stop at a point and be like, it is okay, I'll just stop over here. That was the part that I really liked. Even though the story and all of it, they were, even during the other part of the film, during the start also, the part that I felt was very slow. Few things here and there were really nice. Like Marita also mentioned, the tension in the courtroom, and then the way everybody was talking, even during the climax especially, everybody when they were talking, it was really, really, really very nice to listen them. And then the words that they chose, I mean, the scripting of that last 30 minutes was done very well. But the slight disappointment for me was that even though I'm a big history lover and I love watching films that have got to do with the past or documentaries, I felt that the movie was really slow and it could have picked up the pace.
No worries. Fair enough. That's your review, Shubhu, and I respect it totally. Kavya, coming to you, what was that one moment in the film where the film actually took off in a big way for you, and you just got hooked and booked to it completely?
I think when there was this, in the start scene of the court case, the minute they start, they're having their court proceedings in the courtroom. Usually you expect that only a lawyer speaks, right, and a defendant usually does not speak out of turn. And speaking out of the turn is the most, it's a proper crime. It's equivalent to a crime. You're not allowed to speak. Only your lawyer can speak. And when you are asked or given a turn by the judge, that's when you talk. But that first courtroom scene where no lawyer could complete their sentencing without being interrupted, and the way, it was not even like, the camera is at a wide angle and you're seeing all these people starting to randomly speak and you're not getting confused at any point. It was so immaculately interrupted, like each minute, anytime the judge would say anything, there'd be a defender either echoing him or pretending to be him. And it's so difficult to believe that this actually happened. I wonder if you could get a recording of the real court scene and see that did they really interrupt him in this manner? And the shocking revelation that it was a trial. The movie says trial of the Chicago 7, but there were 8 defendants in the beginning, and knowing the reason for the 8 defendants is it was actually very heartbreaking at a point. And to see the racism, see the like injustice happening in a courtroom by a judge. It was like a lot of emotions at that point.
Okay, a lot of emotions going there. Talking about picking up on that word, heartbreak. Hrishikesh, how did you find that scene? The scene where the black man is gagged and taken out?
It was like I thought it was fake actually, but it really happened. It really shook me. Like someone is treated in the court like this. I first time experienced this. I was very disappointed.
Okay. And what about acting, Hrishikesh? How did you find the acting by all performers? Yeah.
Acting was on point of everyone, like from protagonist to antagonist, like from defendants, lawyers, judge seemed very real, like in real time. It was very they really inspire you in some kind of way. There is U.S. attorney from the government.
Yeah.
Schultz. Sorry, I can't pronounce his name.
No problem. Yeah.
So that attorney is real acting of on point. Like some mention it from inception, and it's really right. It's really
Joseph.
Acting.
Yeah.
Joseph.
Okay.
On point. Yeah.
Right. Marita, what about the judge? You like the judge?
Yeah, sir. I think to play such a character, the villain of the story is very difficult, and he did it so well. But I guess every single person in the film did very well. But especially I would like to say about Sacha Cohen, because he was humorous. There was some scenes in the film where he did so well. There were comedy. Trying to wear police officer's outfit, then lawyer's outfit. So it was very nice to see him do those things. But 10 on 10 for everyone's acting. I liked everyone.
Superb. Shubhu, what about you? Like the acting?
Yeah, sir, definitely. Acting was one thing that I really liked, in spite of everything that I disliked, and apart from all of my disappointments. Acting was fabulous. It was definitely on point. Like Marita also mentioned about the judge, you will love to hate him. He is an integral part of the story, and you cannot do without him. At a point, you will feel like he's driving you crazy.
Right.
But he is one very important part of the story, and definitely for a villain, the kind of role that he had to play, and the way he had to speak, and the gestures, and the way he had to portray himself, he did it very well, and he did complete justice to his role.
Okay. Kavya, didn't Michael Keaton spring a surprise with his role?
I really do think I never expected him to play a character with, you know, such an odd depth. Like it wasn't even like, you know, he's completely in the white. Like he's not absolutely clean. He's not completely like in the right. He's not right. He's not wrong either. The complexity of his character was so good. Eddie Redmayne with his accent is on point. The way, you know, there's a scene between him and all the defendants where they agreed to do something and he made a mistake. He showed that, you know, there was no unity with justice, and it was like to his character it was a reflex. He was supposed to, you know, be united with them, but he had a reflex and it ended up looking like he's against his own team. And for him to own up to it, and at that moment, like, you know, realize, what did I do, and he slowly sits down realizing his mistake. That was a very well crafted scene. It wasn't even like the highlight of the film. It wasn't a very pivotal moment, but I'm telling you, each minute of it, none of the actors left their cue. They were all in the scene entirely. There's a line, there's a dialogue in the start of the film. It says the court case is the Academy Awards of riots, and I'm just happy to be nominated. That says all for the movie.
So
and it was nominated for the Academy Award.
Yeah, it should have won an Academy Award is what my feeling was. But anyways, story, screenplay, direction, acting, everything to the point. Shubhu not finding the story a little sluggish. That is okay. Rishikesh, जाने से पहले कितना stars? How many stars would you give this film?
I will give it 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5. Okay, Marita?
5 on 5, definitely.
5 on 5. Shubhu?
3.
3. Okay. Kavya?
I'd give this a 5.
Oh, 5 out of 5. Okay, my students really loving it. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Rishikesh, Marita, Kavya, and Shubhu. दोस्तों, अगर आपने देखा है The Trial of Chicago 7, तो लिखकर बताना आपका क्या टेक है इस फिल्म को लेकर और क्या फिल्म को ऑस्कर मिलना चाहिए था कि नहीं. चलिए, for the moment, टाटा.
Bye.